Hello and welcome to Financial Booklet. I'm your host, bringing you the latest financial market update for Friday, January 9th, 2026. Today we are covering significant developments in global energy strategies, major moves in the robotics and artificial intelligence sectors, and a busy day for institutional cryptocurrency adoption. Let's dive straight into the facts. Starting with geopolitical and energy news, the White House is reportedly considering payments of up to $100,000 per Greenlander to relocate to the United States, a development surfacing amid broader discussions regarding the Arctic region. In the energy sector, President Trump is scheduled to meet today with executives from major oil companies, including Exxon and Shell. The agenda focuses on discussions regarding Venezuela, signaling potential shifts in U.S. energy diplomacy. Meanwhile, big tech continues its pivot toward independent power sources. Meta has signed a massive nuclear energy deal to support its growing infrastructure needs. This follows a broader trend of technology companies seeking sustainable baseload power for data centers. Moving to the technology sector, Boston Dynamics has officially unveiled the first commercial version of its Atlas humanoid robot, marking a new phase for robotics in industrial applications. In legal news, Google and Character AI have agreed to settle a U.S. lawsuit concerning a teenager's suicide, closing a significant chapter in the ongoing debate regarding AI safety and liability. On the corporate front, Coincheck Group announced it will acquire digital asset manager 3iQ in a stock deal valued at $112 million. Additionally, streaming giant Netflix is adjusting its content strategy, with strategists noting a shift away from volume-based approaches to combat increasing competition. Looking at international markets, iShares MSCI India broke below its 200-day moving average, a technical indicator often watched by market participants. This comes as reports indicate India is positioned to be the G20 growth leader in 2026. In the retail sector, Costco stock saw upward movement today, while Serve Robotics shares also experienced a significant rise earlier this week. Turning our attention to the digital asset markets, institutional activity remains high. BlackRock has purchased $900 million in Bitcoin, with data suggesting long-term selling has dropped to levels not seen since 2017. Furthermore, Morgan Stanley is launching a new crypto wallet, and Bank of America has upgraded Coinbase to a buy rating, citing prospects on the Base network and tokenization. On the regulatory side, the UK's Financial Conduct Authority has opened its crypto licensing gateway under a new regime set to fully launch in September. Domestically, Florida lawmakers are renewing a push to launch a state Bitcoin reserve. However, the market is seeing volatility. Crypto liquidations topped $477 million as Bitcoin slipped below $90,000, and Bitcoin ETFs recorded 3 consecutive days of outflows. Additionally, BNB fell below $885 amid broader market pullbacks. Finally, in banking integration, JPMorgan announced that its JPM coin will go multichain in a bid to unlock further liquidity across different blockchain networks. That wraps up your financial market update for Friday, January 9th, 2026. Thank you for tuning in to Financial Booklet for your factual market report. If you found this update helpful, please subscribe to stay informed. We will see you on Monday.